Hello everyone, hopefully you're having a nice day. We received a call from this gentleman who had a Toyota pickup that was stuck on a class 4 road. He said that he was stuck in the mud. We dispatched our four-wheel drive Jeep to try and assist him. When we finally located him, it actually came out that he was on a logging trail off of a power line access road. And he was stuck on a very muddy and icy hill. So after having a minor discussion with the owner of the vehicle, it was decided that we would dispatch our tracked vehicle out to recover his Toyota, as the ice would pose a problem to any vehicle attempting to get him out that was on tires. Hopefully everyone enjoys the recovery.
Only thing I see is bringing the tracker in.
Okay. Makes the most sense.
Not even the Blazer, because
Too tight.
it's kind of tight over there.
There's no real, well, I don't know how far power line do you have to go? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if there'd be any real, like, super mud hole. But as far as mud, you wouldn't really get into any. You'd be able to stay on the snow.
There to there. So you'd have to follow the power line road
Right.
down to here.
That's how they come in then, must be, huh?
Yep.
So I guess
I figured he was
there.
So what I'm seeing is, especially not being able to go through their field, which it is their property, their rules. But as you guys went, the power lines all the way to the main road, right?
Yeah, up past there was a tree fall. We had back down that main road, Miller. Those tree falls that we had to stop at, and that's when we backtracked and got on the power line.
Yeah. So, because what I'm seeing is come in the power lines, come across the road where you guys came in, strap and snatch block off that tree,
Yeah.
straight up there, down to here, pull them up to the tree, pull him up to the clearing, turn around, hook a strap to him and pull him. But I know our Jeep, I don't think your Jeep will get traction on that snow to help get him up out of here. So we'd have to have a track rig to do that. And I think labor wise, because I kind of thought it was on the actual Ashworth road.
I knew, yeah.
So
I knew what you thought.
I'm thinking, because we've done quite a few up on the Ashworth Road.
Yeah.
That tracking in nice, Kyle?
Starting to. You can probably settle that blade if I have
We'll call that good right there. Set the brake for a minute. Okay, let off, Garrett.
All right, we're gonna see if we can turn you around, Andy. Alright, I'm on the brakes, neutral.
I can take the brakes off.
Off the brakes.
Yep. Start pulling a little bit, Garrett. Automatic or standard? Auto. Put it in drive and just let it kind of crawl its own way ahead. To the left just a little bit. Yep, right there. Perfect. Left a little bit more. Yeah, right there. That's good right there, Garrett. Have you put it in park? Back it off.
One more.
Okay. It's freewheel, Kyle.
Oh,
Yeah.
never mind.
To the left a little. Yep, right there. Start turning to the right. Have them do drive, no gas.
Drive, no gas.
Okay. Yep. We'll do park right there. Good. Run it right in, Garrett. Bring the blade up and meander around for a turnaround here. You want to knock the green rope down, Garrett. We'll start rigging that up real easy.
There ain't no wads to the right here, right?
Nope. You want to grab one of the red shackles out the back there? All set to start turning around, Kyle. Straight toe right out.
Did we already pick it up or what? Oh, that one. Okay.
shackle. Hopefully that will, I don't know if that'll fit or not, but we'll find out. Few more feet. Yep. Loop the green through the bearing. Should be all set for shackles. Yep. Just feed it through that shackle. Just over here. You're gonna want the light, Garrett. There. In the truck. Give you a brighter light. There's that there. Move this. Close these up. Okay. Want to snug it up, Kyle? Yeah. And then, yeah, I got the light and stuff. For low automatic gear, yeah, it should work in it.
You want me to stay in 4 low and just crawl behind?
Yeah, 4 low, just crawl right behind him. Give it a little more gas. Go with it, Kyle. For low automatic gear, yeah, it should work in it. Yeah, 4 low, just crawl right behind him. Back up.
Yeah.
Ready to go with it?
Yep.
Okay, go. If you're gonna hit it, so you're gonna have a little bit of slack in the rope, and then he'll. Yep, go with it, Kyle. We're gonna have to go. Come back a little more, Kyle. Yep. Let it go longer. Yep, go with it, Kyle. Hold up, you're camming over, Kyle. Hard to the left. Or hard to the right, I meant. Yeah. Well, go hard to the left, come back. And then we'll go to the right. Okay, so I'm getting in.
Dude, that was a sweet.
Hard. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That should be good there. Okay. Yeah.
Both roads are coming.
Yeah. Thanks, Jen. No problem. Okay, well, we'll pack right into our little clown car here, and
All right.
we'll meet you at the truck. And